Unlock the refreshing power of cucumber and lemon mix with these simple recipes. Cucumbers and lemons are more than just summer refreshments. They're a powerhouse duo that brings significant health benefits. Together, they hydrate, detoxify, and replenish essential nutrients with minimal calories. This mix improves skin health, aids digestion, and boosts immune function due to its high vitamin C and antioxidant content. Drinking cucumber and lemon water isn't just about staying hydrated. It's about enhancing your water intake with added nutritional benefits. This simple recipe involves slicing fresh cucumbers and lemons and soaking them in water. The result is a refreshing drink that supports skin elasticity and helps flush out toxins. Incorporating cucumber and lemon into your diet can be a natural way to help detoxify your body. These ingredients support the liver and kidneys, vital organs in the detoxification process. Regular consumption can help reduce inflammation and cleanse the body of harmful substances, leading to improved overall health. A cucumber and lemon smoothie is not only hydrating but also incredibly refreshing. To make it, blend sliced cucumber, lemon juice, a touch of honey, and ice. This smoothie is perfect for a hot day and provides a quick, nutritious way to cool down while giving your body a health boost. The mix of cucumber and lemon can be a great addition to a weight loss diet. Drinking juice made from these ingredients daily can enhance metabolism, reduce bloat, and support weight loss. Their low-calorie content combined with fiber and natural diuretics helps in maintaining a healthy weight. Starting your day with a simple cucumber, lemon, and mint infusion can invigorate your body and boost your energy levels. This refreshing trio is not only flavorful but also aids in hydration and digestion. Mint adds a cooling effect, while lemon and cucumber deliver antioxidants and vitamins that help kickstart your metabolism. Cucumber and lemon are not just for hydration. They're also powerful ingredients for detoxification. Drinking a mixture of these two can help flush toxins from your body, promoting liver health and improving skin clarity. The natural diuretic properties of cucumber and the cleansing effects of lemon make this combination a perfect detox drink. A refreshing cucumber and lemon smoothie is an excellent way to enjoy a nutritious and hydrating snack. Blend together cucumber, lemon juice, a bit of honey, and ice for a smooth, revitalizing drink. This smoothie is perfect for rehydration after a workout or simply as a refreshing midday pick-me-up. For those looking to shed some pounds, incorporating cucumber and lemon juice into your daily diet could be beneficial. These ingredients are low in calories but high in nutrients, helping to fill you up without adding extra weight. Additionally, their diuretic properties help reduce water retention, aiding in weight loss. An energy-boosting infusion doesn't have to be complex. A simple mix of cucumber, lemon, and fresh mint leaves can uplift your spirits and increase your energy. This infusion is perfect for sipping throughout the day, providing a steady supply of nutrients while keeping you hydrated and focused. Enhancing your immune system with cucumber and lemon can be a tasty venture. Both ingredients are high in vitamin C and antioxidants, which are crucial for fighting off infections. Regular consumption can help fortify your body's natural defenses, making it easier to ward off common colds and flu. Cucumber and lemon detox popsicles are not just a treat for a hot day but also a health booster. These icy delights can help flush toxins from your body, thanks to the diuretic properties of cucumber and the cleansing effects of lemon. They're a perfect way to stay cool and healthy. Creating a DIY cucumber and lemon toner can work wonders for oily skin. This natural concoction helps in tightening pores, reducing oil secretion, and adding a fresh glow to your skin. Its antibacterial properties also help in preventing acne breakouts, making it a staple in your skincare routine. Knowing the best time to consume cucumber and lemon can maximize their health benefits. Drinking cucumber and lemon water first thing in the morning can kickstart your metabolism and enhance toxin removal. Alternatively, consuming it post-meal can aid in digestion and nutrient absorption. Lemon and cucumber are natural remedies for reducing puffiness under the eyes. Their anti-inflammatory properties help soothe the skin and reduce swelling. Applying chilled slices of cucumber and a few drops of lemon juice can rejuvenate the under-eye area, leaving you looking refreshed and vibrant. To maximize the nutrient retention in cucumber and lemon water, it's crucial to use fresh, organic ingredients. Slice the cucumber and lemon thinly, allowing their essential oils and vitamins to seep into the water. Steep overnight in a glass pitcher to avoid any interaction with plastics that could leach chemicals. Cucumbers and lemons not only promote hydration but also support kidney health. Their diuretic properties help flush out toxins and reduce the load on your kidneys. Regular consumption of this mix can prevent the buildup of harmful substances in the kidney, which helps in maintaining their functioning. Creating a no-cook cucumber and lemon relish is simple and adds a zest to any meal. Combine finely diced cucumber with lemon zest, lemon juice, a dash of salt, and herbs like dill or mint. This relish is perfect as a refreshing topping for grilled meats or a crispy addition to sandwiches. Growing cucumbers and lemons at home can elevate the freshness of your recipes. Choose a sunny spot for lemon trees and ensure cucumbers have space to sprawl or climb. Both plants require regular watering and well-draining soil, with lemons needing protection from extreme cold. A cucumber, lemon, and aloe vera smoothie is not only hydrating but also immensely beneficial for skin health. Blend together cucumber, fresh lemon juice, aloe vera gel, and a bit of honey to sweeten naturally. This smoothie is perfect for soothing the skin and providing a quick, nutritious snack. Cucumbers and lemons are celebrated for their ability to help balance the body's pH levels. Consuming these ingredients can shift the body towards a more alkaline state, counteracting the acidity that often results from modern diets rich in processed foods. This balancing act promotes overall health and boosts vitality. Creating cucumber and lemon ice cubes is a novel way to soothe your skin. Simply blend cucumber and lemon juice, pour into ice cube trays, and freeze. Rubbing these ice cubes over your skin can calm inflammation, reduce puffiness, and provide a refreshing, cooling effect during hot weather or after sun exposure. Cucumbers and lemons are not just for hydration, they also support heart health. The potassium in cucumbers helps regulate blood pressure, while the vitamin C in lemons strengthens the arterial walls. Regular consumption can lead to improved cardiovascular function and reduced risk of heart disease. Quick cucumber and lemon pickles are a delight for anyone looking to add a tangy twist to their meals. Thinly slice cucumbers and lemons, mix with vinegar, sugar, salt, and dill, then let them sit for about 30 minutes. These pickles are a crunchy, flavorful addition to any salad or sandwich. Boosting brain health might be as simple as sipping on cucumber and lemon juice. These ingredients are packed with nutrients that support mental clarity and cognitive function. Lemons, with their high vitamin C content, protect against cognitive decline, while cucumbers provide essential hydration that fuels brain activity. Creating a cucumber and lemon scrub offers a delightful way to exfoliate and rejuvenate your skin. Mixing these two ingredients can help remove dead skin cells while providing a burst of hydration. The natural acidity of lemon cleanses the skin and the cucumber leaves it feeling incredibly soft and refreshed. Cucumbers and lemons both exert a calming influence on blood pressure levels. Their high potassium content helps to balance sodium levels in the body, which can reduce hypertension. Regular consumption of a drink made with these ingredients can be a simple, natural way to contribute to maintaining a healthy blood pressure. Incorporating cucumber and lemon into your daily diet can be done in various enjoyable ways. Start by adding slices of both to your water for a refreshing drink, or mix them into salads for a zesty flavor. They can also be blended into smoothies or used as garnishes on dishes to enhance flavor and nutrient intake. Cucumber and lemon-infused water not only aids in hydration but can also improve digestion. The soothing properties of cucumber and the digestive benefits of lemon help in calming the stomach and encouraging healthy digestion. This simple infusion is a perfect beverage to enjoy before or after meals to support digestive health. Mixing up a lemon and cucumber cocktail offers a refreshing twist for any gathering. These ingredients can be muddled together with ice, then mixed with your choice of sparkling water or clear spirits like gin or vodka. This cocktail is not only delicious but also adds a touch of elegance to your refreshments. Preserving cucumber and lemon can be a delightful way to enjoy their flavors year-round. One effective method is to pickle them together, creating a tangy, refreshing condiment. Alternatively, freezing lemon zest and cucumber slices separately allows for their use in smoothies or as ice cube enhancers for water or cocktails. Unexpectedly, cucumbers and lemons can also enhance baked goods. Adding lemon zest to cakes, muffins, or cookies can provide a burst of citrus flavor, while cucumber puree can be used in bread recipes to add moisture and a subtle, fresh aroma. Both ingredients bring a refreshing twist to traditional baking. The combination of cucumber and lemon is not only tasty but also beneficial for hair health. The silica in cucumber helps to strengthen hair, while lemon's vitamin C boosts collagen production. A homemade hair rinse can be made by blending cucumber and lemon juice, which when applied, leaves hair shiny and strong. Cucumber and lemon are also powerful allies in managing diabetes. Their high fiber content and low glycemic index help to regulate blood sugar levels. Regular consumption of a drink made from cucumber and lemon juice can aid in maintaining stable blood sugar levels, making it a smart addition to a diabetic diet. A homemade hydrating mist made from cucumber and lemon can be a soothing remedy for dry skin. Simply juice a cucumber and a lemon, mix with a little water, and pour into a spray bottle. This refreshing mist can be spritzed on the face throughout the day to moisturize and revitalize the skin. Cucumber and lemon are essential for athletes due to their hydrating properties and rich nutrient content. These natural ingredients help replenish electrolytes lost during intense physical activity, aiding in quick recovery and maintaining optimal body function. Including them in an athlete's diet can significantly boost performance and endurance. Creating a cucumber and lemon sorbet is not only easy but incredibly refreshing. The combination of these two ingredients offers a cooling effect, perfect for post-workout recovery as a light dessert on a warm day. This simple recipe can be made with minimal ingredients and offers a burst of natural flavors. Incorporating cucumber and lemon into a detox meal plan enhances its effectiveness. These ingredients support the body's natural detoxification processes by promoting hydration and aiding in the elimination of toxins. A meal plan that includes these elements can help improve overall health and vitality, making it a popular choice for health enthusiasts. Cucumbers and lemons are packed with essential vitamins and minerals that contribute significantly to a balanced diet. Cucumbers are low in calories but high in water content, while lemons are an excellent source of vitamin C. Together, they support immune function, skin health, and can help maintain a healthy weight. Using cucumber and lemon mix daily can provide numerous health benefits, from improved hydration and digestion to enhanced skin health and immune support. Integrating these ingredients into daily routines is a simple, natural way to increase nutrient intake and promote overall well-being, making cucumber and lemon a valuable addition to any diet. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more watching.